like this, your palm. Press this. Observe. What are you feeling? Don't tap. Just make like this. Okay? Just push it. Between palm, observe. Yeah, magnetic. Okay? See, because of that, clap is, it made magnetic energy and magnetic force surrounded our body. Okay? So because of that, clap is very important. Not only simply should clap it, which is also one of the exercise, and it will give energy to us. Okay? Once again, can I hear one more time? Any yoga and gym and any fitness and gymnastics, any aerobics? Anybody here? What are you practicing?
Normal workouts.
Normal workouts at home only. The normal push-ups and
Some weights.
yeah. Okay. And anybody? Girls, you are in a very low energy. We came early and we have to stand here, we have to sit here, we have to do something. What we can do? You are thinking like that. No, actually yoga is very good for you only, for girls and men. Because hormones, it will be variations compared to men's. It will be variation and it will be harmful for girls only. Yeah. Sure. Okay, because of that, yoga is important for you only. Don't think we can simply here. Just do yoga and be happy. Okay. Before that, I am going to tell you. See, if you want a good health lifestyle, we should not depend on only exercise. We should not depend on only yoga. We should make balanced nutrition food also. Food also very important. Okay. See, we are eating junk food. Here everybody, they are eating junk food now. Okay. So do you eat pizza and burger? Huh? Very likely food, is it not? So if you keep pizza and burger 2 days in dustbin, after if you see that, what will happen? You know, fungus without refrigerator. What will happen? Fungus. Okay. See, if you take to digest pizza and burger in our body, it will take 2 days. Okay? Then what can happen in our body? What kind of fungus we can see? What kind of disease we can get? Is it not? So, this is made up of full of junk items. So, that's what we can call that junk food. If we eat junk food also, will be same like that only. Okay? How we'll eat food? That mind should be also same. See, whatever we are eating the food now, it will get digest and it will go for organs and it will converted into glycogen and glucose and it will give energy. Is it not? And after that, the micro level of food, it will go to for mind. It will create mind. Okay? Scientifically it is proved. So, how you will eat food, your mind will be also same as food. So, then what kind of food we have to eat? See, we have to eat like sattvic ahar. Sattvic ahar means nutrition food, like full of vegetables and full of fruits and full of minerals. What you are eating now, the junk food, there is no nutrition. Just taste it will be there. Taste also it will come by chemicals. Okay, it's not natural chemicals. See, if you take one fruit, any one kind of fruit like apple, if you take, it has own taste. Is it not? This is by naturally. But if you take pizza, it will by chemical taste. If you eat chemicals, this organ is very micro level organs. If you put chemical, it will become destroyed. It will become vanish. Okay? So that's what food is very important. Okay, so eat food well and do light exercises, not only full of gymnastics, full of weight section, not that. Just for your happiness, how much you want fitness, that much only you can do at home. Okay, and one more thing, if you do exercise and yoga and any fitness, you will get a dopamine release. What is dopamine? SIM card. Did you heard? It was it is a SIM card. Okay. So, but dopamine is one of the happiest hormone in our body. Okay. See, if you eat something, what you want, what you like, that food, you will get some happy. Okay. If you go some places, you are liking places, you get happy. So, what is from that happy, it released. Okay. That chemical reaction, that hormone, it will release. That's called dopamine. Okay. And when you get angry, when you get sadness, then oxytocin hormone it will release. Okay. So that I'm telling, if you eat good food only, your dopamine will get released, and also fitness. See, while we doing yoga and fitness and exercise, we get like a very laziness. But after that, we get some relax now, because after exercise, the dopamine will release. Okay. So that's what exercise, yoga, any kind of fitness. It is very important, and food also important, and lifestyle. I mean, when you get to very late night sleep and very late, whatever the 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock you can wake up. So these all things which is very bad. You have to sleep 10 o'clock at least. You have to wake up at least 6 o'clock. Okay. So if you apply this all lifestyle, then everything, whatever your thinking level also it will be good, and your surroundings also it will be good, and whatever you want to do that now, I mean your goal and your anything, your achievements, it will also get good. Okay, so that's what lifestyle, food and mind, which is very important. Okay. Okay, sit now, we'll do prayer and we'll move on. Okay, please sit like this. This is called Vajrasana. What is this? Vajrasana. Okay. So Vajra means what? Diamond. Do you know diamond? How is diamond? That shape. Why it got so much shiny? Why? Diamond. Why it got so much shiny? It looks like shiny, no? Why? Because gold is not that much shiny. Okay. And other thing, it's not silver, it's not that much shiny. But why? Because of this only. Shape. The curve system. Okay. See, that curve system is there, no? Light, it will go that and it reflect as so much of brightness. Okay. Same like that only. Our body, when we sit like this, oxygen, it will go all the body. Energy will get reflected. Okay, when oxygen enter to our body, energy it reflects. Okay, same as diamond. So that's what this is. Diamond asana means Vajrasana. Okay, please keep your hand like this. This is called Chin Mudra. This is very important for students. Okay, why? See, if you put like this, automatically your concentration level it will go high. You can get concentration. Okay, and also your memory power will also it will get high. Okay, see here, this is called Ajna Chakra, and this is Muladhara, and this is Swadhisthana, and this is Manipura, and this is Anahata, and this one Vishuddhi, and this one Ajna, and this one Sahasrara. We can tell in yoga. So what is this chakras? What is this wheels you are thinking, no? Nothing but this is a nerve junction. We have so many nerves in our body. Is it no? 72 nerves we have. That all junctions it's covered here. See, if you take one motor here, chemical, which branch here? IS, okay. If you take any motor, that wire systems are there, no? But for connection, if you have, you should have one more thing, no? That of junction box you have. So that's like only in our body also we have junctions, nerves junctions. Okay. See, all nerves is connected by here. See, leg nerves connected by Muladhara chakra, and this uterus and everything this is connected by this Svadhisthana, and stomach all nerves connected by this Manipura. So like that only. Our mind all junction is connected by this junction. This is called Ajna chakra. When this Ajna chakra is good, whatever you are thinking, whatever you are studying level, it will get good also. Okay. So because of that, this Ajna chakra we should make strength. Okay. So this mudra you keep. Take a breath. Both the hands please put. I am having mic in this hand. Take a breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. We'll do prayer. We'll do Omkara 3 times. Okay. Do you know Om? Did you hear? Okay. See, Om is not only one of the dharmic mantra, which is one of the scientific mantra we can say. I mean, not a term, sound we can tell. See, this Om, everything and every cell is covered it. So galaxy also it look like shape of Om, and mother womb also it's like a shape of Om. Om is zero. So everything is started by zero only. You know, basically scientists. So how Big Bang theory, everything. Okay. So then this Om exists. Okay. So Om is one of the sound. It will give blissful and it will give awareness to us. Okay. So it will make pleasant. So we do Omkara once. We'll start this by prayer. This prayer belongs to Patanjali Gurus. He is a father of yoga. Okay. I will tell. Just you listen. Okay. Yogena chittasya padena vacham malam sharirasya chavaidhyakena yopakarottamam pravaram muninam patanjalim pranjalim anatosmi. Get back your hands slowly. Both hands you have to touch. Okay. If you not get touch, you have axe fan. Okay. Okay. Please come back. And this asana, what you did now, this is very good for BP also. Okay. In your home, any elders they got BP and they will get BP. Just tell them sit like this. Okay. Then their BP will get down. Okay. Okay. Now you please stand up. First we'll do kriyas, which is called loosening exercises. Whatever our body, this nerve system and any small kind of organs, it will get active from these movements. Okay. So first do tapping. Both the hands. So don't think what is this tapping. So this is, see, I told you what is, this is called Brahmaranda and Sahasrara chakra. So all nerve junctions it's covered by here and nerves it will go by here. See, if you press like this, that gnana, I mean ignorance will get down, okay, and memory power it will get high. Okay, just observe this one. you will get something. Okay, then take your middle finger, put this point, just rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise. This is very good for memory power. Okay, and pinch your ear. Did you hear from your childhood? This one? Anybody get this? Anybody got it? If you forget anything, teacher will come and pinch your ear. Why? Because see, if you pinch your memory power, it will get high. So that's what, if you forget something, if they will pinch, oh suddenly you got now. So because of that only. And this is the shape of uterus, woman uterus. So if you pinch like this, PCOD and PCOS problem, it will get down. Okay. So next, eye exercises. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, rotation full, clockwise and anti-clockwise, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Blink your eyes, make it tight your eyes. Make tight, 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 tight. Okay. Next, hold your hand like this. Do this. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Up, down, up, down. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Rotation clockwise and anti-clockwise. This is very good for cervical spondylosis. Did you hear this name? Cervical spondylosis. Anybody? You have to communicate with me. Did you hear? What happens? Cervical spondylosis. If you get cervical spondylosis, what happened? Did you see anybody? They banded here. This one, they will be like this only, banded, covered by banded. So that is called cervical spondylosis. So if you have any pain here or here and neck pain, just do like this. With the break you have to do. Okay. If you have any pain, otherwise you can do like this. Okay. See, if you have pain, how you can do? See, like this. See here. Take a breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Can you please put off this one? Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. You should not put on any fan or AC while doing yoga or any exercises. Suddenly it will get for heart attack. And also, you will not get water also. After at least you have to take 5 or 10 minutes. Okay? See, while doing workout, just if you want any, not a huge workout, just small workouts you are doing. That time you can take bit waters. That's it. But don't take whole water. Because suddenly, because blood circulation, it got variation. No? Suddenly, if you give water, it will get confused. Okay? Okay, next. So, cervical spondylosis or any pain if you get, just do like this. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, and again up and down. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Again rotation. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Okay. Now hand exercises we do first. 1, 2. See here in this exercises we have two variations for girls separate and boys separate. So every time we have one wish. Girls should be in zero size and boys should be in pack. Pack, is it not? You don't want zero size and you don't want pack. Is it not? So that's what. You want zero size. Want to be Katrina Kaif or something? Okay. See. So for you have to reduce your fats. Okay, and you have to boost your muscles. Okay, so because of that, girls always they should by fast only. 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. And boys, see, you have to make tight. Then just push like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Observe your biceps. 1, 2. You have to feel you are carrying something here, like this. Okay? Okay. Do now. 1, 2, 3, 4. I will give count for them. You just observe, okay? Because fast countings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay? Again, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay? So next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay? So next, rolling. 1, 2. It should become up. Okay? You see here. 1, 2, 3. You have to do like this. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay? So next. So take your hand like this. 1, 2. Girls fast. 1, 2, 3. I will give count for you. 1. See? 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't shake your body. Okay? Just only biceps. Okay? See, while doing any exercise, any yoga, if you want something boost, you have to focus those only. Okay? See, now you want to biceps. You need to boost that. Okay? So then you have to observe that. You have to work out on that only. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Enough. See, observe your biceps. What happening? It not got ghost. Just what are the variations you are seeing? Just observe. What happening? Heat, yeah. Heat produced, is it not? And also something blood circulation is going on compared to other organs. Okay. Okay. Now stomach. Abs exercises will do. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. While doing yoga or any exercises you are talking, what will happen, you know? Heart attack. It will harm than that. Okay? So much of hormones it got variation. Okay? Next. Leg pushing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Next side stretching. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can please share with us also. Here also you get happy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next. 1, 2. Don't keep back. Someone is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next. Left leg. 1, 2, 3. Straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See, you are youngsters. How you have to kick? Like this one. 2. Do it, man. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go. Some should not fall. Only leg movements. Next side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Next back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Did you have your breakfast?
Yes.
Only 4 dosas. It's very less. Okay, next. Feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next. Okay. Get relax. These all exercises we can call kriyas or loosening exercises or warm up exercises. Okay. So before going to do any fitness, so any gymnastic, any yoga or any whatever the asanas, you have to first do these all exercises. Warm up. Don't go directly. Okay. First you have to do warm up. You have to make loose your all body parts. And after that, you have to go. And you have to make your loose your mind also. Not that loose. Just thought loose. Okay?
Even for Shavasana.
It will come. So that's what Shavasana we will put end only. If you give now only, our time will go for Shavasana only. So that's what. Okay? So next, we go for Pranayama. And after that, we go for asanas. Okay? So, please be safe. If you get pain, nothing is there. You have to sit like this only. Okay? So pranayama, if we sit this position only, we get result. So because when we sit like this, our Sushumna Nadi we can say. What is Sushumna Nadi? See, this nostril we can call Chandra Nadi. This nostrils we can call Surya Nadi. And this one is there, no? This is called Sushumna Nadi. If you sit like this Sushumna Nadi also will get active. So that's what we have to do pranayama from this asana only. Okay? So next we do Vibhagiya pranayama. This is called divided pranayama. So what is this divided pranayama? See, we are breathing now. Are we alive? Are you breathing? Is it no? Everybody is all alive? Oh, good, good. So, whatever you are taking breathing, what we can get? From breathing, what we can get? Oxygen. Do you think your oxygen it will go in your every parts of body? Do you think? Okay, it's going. Okay. If you test one of the this instrument is there, breathing test instrument, or anything, if you can go ECG or one more thing it will come now, that pulse meter. If you test that, it will show how much oxygen you are taking. So if it will go for 100 saturation or 100 whatever the after 100 saturation, then it will go for every your body. But it will show only 97, 98 normal. Is it not? Otherwise saturation is low. It will show below 95. So that's what whatever we are breathing now, this breathing oxygen, it will not go full organs of our body. See, we have 72 nadis in our body. What 72,000? Sorry, not 72. Okay, 72,000 cover our whole body. Whatever we are taking oxygen, it should go and it should cover this all nadis whole body. But what we are breathing on, that breathing oxygen, it will go for only what is lungs, heart and other organs, and it will become some toxin also and it will come back. Okay? So when the man or any human, he will get 72 nodes oxygen, he will get anti-aging and he will get Purna Ishi we can tell. He will live till 100 or more than 100. Okay? So and also whatever the body, it will be like Vajrakaya, very strengthening body. So that's what whatever we are taking breath now, this oxygen, it should be cover all our organs. Now what we are taking breathing now, this is not correct breathing. We should do full deep breathing. That's what in pranayama they are introducing these all things. Okay? From pranayama we can get oxygen to our whole body. Okay? So come in. Do this one. Don't touch. Just do like this. Okay? 4:2:4 you have to take breath. 4 means inhale 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 2 hold. 1, 2. And 4 you have to leave your breath. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay? Have you get it? Oh. What happened, man? Tell me. Who is that? Whatever you want, you can please tell me. You didn't get? Come please, Frank. Come, nothing will happen. Come. See here. Inhale. Whatever you are taking, breathing now. Breathing. That is 4 seconds. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. And hold 2 seconds. And breathe out again 4 seconds. Okay? I will count. You should follow that. Like see here. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2. Exhale. 4, 3, 2, 1. If you feel so much pain, you can sit normal asana only. Somebody they are not able to sitting like this, so you can sit like this. Okay, we'll start now. We'll start now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So do this. Take a breath. Inhale, hold, exhale. 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 Okay? So next, this one. See, observe your body. Simply, when you are sitting like simply, how you are breathing. If you make like this shape, how your lungs expand, how you are breathing. Just observe that. See, you can get variations. Okay, next. See, in this position, how our breathing it will go. Deeply we can feel. Take a breath. Inhale, hold, exhale. Inhale, hold, exhale. Inhale, hold, exhale. Okay, next. See, you have to do like this. Inhale, hold, exhale. Next, try. Inhale, hold, exhale. Inhale, hold, exhale. Inhale, hold, exhale. Get relaxed. Okay. Now this pranayama is very heat. So because of that, we'll do Sheetali. Forget equal. Okay. So take a breath. This is like funny only. Just do this like this. Okay. Take a breath. While you're doing, you can get laugh, but you know what happened from this? We have so much of toxins in our body. Whatever you are taking by air and we are taking food now, the toxins it storage our whole body. If you do this pranayama Sheetali, all toxins it will come by our throat. Okay? You can laugh and you can do also. From laugh also toxins will come out. So that's what we have laughing yoga. Do you know?
Yes, ma'am.
So laughing yoga, see, child usually infant child. How much time it will get happy? Did you see laugh? How many times it will get happy? I mean laugh. Did you observe that? Anybody? Infant child between 5 months kid is there, no? How many times it will get happy? Like laugh in her face. So at least 500 times baby should laugh. Okay, just it will give smile and sleep, smile and sleep. And after 10 years, it will get reduced. After 15 years again, it will get reduced. After 20 years, reduced. 30, 40, 50, 60, totally body only reduced. Is it not? So why baby get happy that much time? Because baby has full of zero conscious and full of very positive thoughts. There is no any whatever the negative thought, anything. So because of that, happy should come by from positive thought only. Okay? Take a breath. Now, combine normal asana. Okay. We'll do Bhramari Pranayama. Bhramari Pranayama, which is very good for anxiety reducers. Okay. See, just you see, after Bhramari Pranayama, just observe your thoughts. Observe your mind, observe your body, everything observe. Okay. What is Brahmani pranayama? How we can do? So just take your finger. Which finger this is? Index finger. Just press this. Don't push. Okay. You get harm. Just press this. Okay. Close this one and do m sound. 1 minute. So this ma sound you have to take breathe and while leaving you have to do ma sound. Okay, see like this. See here. Okay, now take your all fingers. Which finger this one? Thumb finger. Close from thumb finger. Then your all fingers. This ring finger you should come on your eye. And small finger should come back here like this. Make your face up. Do more. Slowly open your eyes. See how much pleasure you got. Did you get? Did you get?
Yes, ma'am.
If not get also you can tell. No ma'am, nothing I will get. Anybody is out there? At least something pleasant you can get from this. Okay? This is called Bhramari pranayama. Bhramari means see when we do makara, no? That makara it will vibrate here and all nerve system it will get relaxed. Okay? Because of that you got it something blissful you can feel. Okay? So next we'll do Bhastrika pranayama. Just sit like this. You have to sit in this asana only for this pranayama. See? You have to sit like this again. I will show once. Just see and you do. Okay? So take it like this. And this is very good for toxins out. See, we have see here throat chakra. We have so much of toxins. Anybody has here breathing problem? Breathing, uneasy breathing, or sputum problem. So much of cough and sneezing. This all problem. So it will go by this pranayama. Okay? Take this. Okay? After that, see, you have to make this mudra. This is called Brahma mudra. So take a breathe. How much possible that much you hold, breathe. Again leave. Okay? This is called Bhastrika pranayama. Okay? So next, do this.